Hi, good morning, St. Joseph Clinic employees. Today we're going to be discussing our open enrollment plan. So I want to start us off by letting us know what we will be covering today. We will go over the overview of the 2021 benefit plans, the open enrollment next steps, and any questions that you may have. Starting us off, open enrollment began on November 6th and will end November 26th. So for 2021 benefits, we have you covered here at St. Joseph's Clinic. We have medical plans, vision plans, dental plans, and additional benefits such as long-term disability, life insurance, and voluntary life insurance. So let's compare the two plans that we have at St. Joseph's Clinic. For this presentation, the two plans selected for the comparison were the Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield coverage plan and the United Healthcare coverage plan. The Blue Cross and Blue Shield plan is a family-friendly coverage and a balance of cost and coverage for users. This plan is ideal for families with varying medical needs while featuring mid-range premiums and a mid-range deductible. On the other hand, the United Healthcare plan is recommended for a low monthly cost. The plan is ideal low-cost coverage plan for preventative care and unexpected injuries and illnesses. The Blue Cross and Blue Shield insurance plan and the United Healthcare insurance plan are both a POS, point of service plan, which offers a choice to its customers to see an in-network or out-of-network providers with different fee options for each. POS plans tend to offer more options for plan holders. Neither insurance plan is eligible for a health savings account, though. So let's take a closer look at the chart here. Here we can see the comparison of annual deductibles, generic drugs, out-of-network coverage, preventative care, and the amount to pay per employee. We want to let you guys know we're not solely focusing on the amount to pay per employee when it comes to choosing the best insurance plan for our employees. You can see the annual deductible for Blue Cross and Blue Shield is $3,500 per individual, however $7,000 per family. You'll see the difference between the generic drug prices for Blue Cross and Blue Shield and United Healthcare is about a $15 difference. Both plans offer out-of-network coverage. The difference with preventative care, our Blue Cross and Blue Shield plan, there's fewer preventative health care services covered, and on the other hand, United Healthcare plan is often fully covered, usually with little to no deductible or copayment. So what's going to work best for us at St. Joseph's Clinic? The Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield plan has a mid-range monthly cost and a mid-range deductible. Compared to the other plans, it is somewhat in the middle of terms of what our company will pay up front and what you as employees will pay out of pocket for needed medical care. The United Healthcare insurance plan features a low monthly cost and a high deductible, which means we will save money on the upfront, but our employees, you guys, are going to wind up paying more out of pocket for medical care when you need it. This plan would be ideal if our staff was completely young and healthy with zero medical expenses. However, that is not the case here at St. Joseph's Clinic. So given the findings I presented previously, we're going to recommend the Blue Cross and Blue Shield plan for several reasons. Here at St. Joseph's Clinic, we value you guys and believe that having our employees paying mid-range prices while having an average amount of cost for a clinic is ideal. Secondly, our team consists of individuals who have a range of healthcare needs, which include healthy employees interested in having low monthly costs for care. The employees here at St. Joseph Clinic, you guys, are not made up solely of young and healthy individuals, which would be ideal if we were going with the United Healthcare plan. So this is why we're choosing the Blue Cross Blue Shield plan. And that is the best insurance plan we have for you guys to keep our budget ideal and keep your pockets not so small. So what's next? So beginning Friday, November 6th, you'll make your 2021 open enrollment benefit elections. You have until Thursday, November 26th to enroll in these benefits. Only those employees who want to enroll for the first time, make changes, or cancel coverages will be required to complete enrollment forms. So it's considered optional life coverages if you're currently not enrolled. Big thing to take note of is this is your only time to enroll in benefits for 2021 unless you have a qualifying life event. If you do have a qualifying life event, you must notify HR and enroll within 30 days of the event. So because this is an online presentation, I will ask that if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the coverage plan, or just need a little bit more information over something I didn't cover or something I need to go into depth more, please email me at the below email address and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Can't wait to have you guys start enrolling. Have a good day.